Hello, back Mobytubehd. Today we're doing. Yesterday it was a Friday night, and I was going shopping at Target right before we got dinner at Bojangles, and I looked right near the checkouts. I saw like some yummy Oreos, and my dog Chloe with her bandana, and you could do this Oreo challenge at home, and you can do 5 flavors or more, however many your parents want to do. You can't do 1 or 2, and we're gonna try this Peppermint bark Oreos. And I saw the other winter, which I love winter Oreos. Since I love Oreos all the time. I love Oreos. Every single Oreo. Except for peanut butter. Okay. Let's try the Peppermint bark Oreos. Oh, this smells strong. Oh, this smells like birthday cake. They smell like mint. They look like the birthday cake Oreos, guys. Okay. But I hope that they make the double stuff, so here's what it looks inside the Oreo, okay? Time to try it. Oh, it's good. It's a little minty, so it tastes fine. It tastes good. Chloe is gonna eat it. Sorry, Chloe, don't eat all that junk food. Okay, if you want me to do another taste test or another challenge, please leave me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to please like and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell to be notified as a new video is coming back on. It's coming, okay? And today is a Saturday afternoon at it's 4:17 Eastern time, right here. It has a picture of Chloe without her bandana. There's a picture of... It's 4:17 Eastern time. Okay, if you want me to... Okay, thanks for what? Okay, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.